Classes. Acting as a blueprints of Java program. Classes are templates that describe the characteristics of element or method. Basically, they are generic elements in Java programming. They also help a programmer to understand the coding system of another programmer, making its structure clear. Classes exist in program as long as they desire, meaning they do not have a lifespan. The following is a list of possible class variables. Class. A class is a variable that needs to be declared before it enters a class, which can be found within any class or outside any method. Instance. Instance is a variable that remains within a particular class but is outside a method. However, it is accessible from any other method once declared. Local. A local is a variable that is defined inside any method in the program and requires initial declaration and acknowledgement. It is omitted after it has executed the command or function. Objects in Java. Java objects are elements that possess behavior and states. When elements are defined, they come with their own features that further adds value to a program component without having to include an extensive feature. One of the characteristics of object-oriented programming is organizing things and concepts. There are three object relationships that define why elements should or should not be moved to another particular program component. First is a relationship. This means that type of object is more specific than it follows. For example, number 1 is a number. Second is has a relationship. This means that type of object contains or is associated with another object. Given number 1 and number 2, number 1 has a succeeding number which is number 2. Uses a relationship. This means that type of object will be using another object as program progresses. For example, given number 1, number 2 and number 3, number 1 uses a number 2 to arrive at sum of number